Hey, fabulous friends! I am back home, tackling my homework again. Today's mission, more adventures with the object pronouns. Remember, are the tiny words we use when we don't want to be repeating the same subjects all the time. Like me, you, him, her, it, them, you, and us. So here I am a bit nervous to open my homework. Why, you ask? Because every time I do it, something magical happens. Come on, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. What? Love it! I'm floating above the clouds. And each balloon carries a different object pronoun. How extraordinary! Okay, let's embark in this adventure together. Exploring the world of object pronouns hanging in the sky. And look, here we have the first challenge. Look at that balloon. And with a tricky sentence. We are going to a concert, but if you come later, I'll save a seat for... Okay, what is the best pronoun? We are going to a concert, myself and my friends. But if you come later, I'll save me a seat. No. I'll save them a seat. No, because they are with me. But you are late, so I'll save you a seat. Yes, I think. Let's try, okay? Where can you see, where can you spot the you balloon? You balloon, you. Okay, I see it there. All right, so let's just try. Oh, yes! Great! And my balloon got bigger. Love it! Let's read the second challenge. Peter is feeling a bit sad. Oh boy. So let's cheer up. Peter is sad. Peter is a boy, okay? It should be him because we want to cheer Peter up. So let's look where him is. Come on, scan the balloons. Him. Okay, there it is. Let's tap it. Oh no, what happened? By mistake, I touched the balloon behind. Leveled here. And my balloon got smaller and now we are not moving. Oh, okay, come on, give me more challenges to fix this situation. Here it is. The kids lost their toys. Let's help. The kids lost their toys. Let's help. Okay, it's a bit tricky. Let's just put my thinking cap. Let's help me. No, because we are helping the children. We are helping me, no you, not him, not just one boy, not her, not us, no, them. Let's help the children, them, okay? So let's help them. Are we right? Yes? So let's just try to find that balloon. Come on. Them, scanning. Yes, voila, there it is. And again, come on, let's just try to touch it and yay! Great! And now my balloon got bigger and bigger and I'm moving. Goodbye, guys.
Nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Welcome back! Third worksheet about the object pronouns. But what are the object pronouns? The short words like me, you, him, her, it, us, them, and you. We used to talk in sentences and not be repeating over and over the subject. The explanation in here. And this time we need to complete. So let's go for that. Me, give the cookie to me. That we know it. Great. You. Give the toy to you. I'll give you the toy. Him and her. Give the book to him. It could be her as well. Or give the flower to her. Okay, to her. Well done. Then us. Give the candies to us. Great. And you, the plural, give the stickers to you. I'll give you the stickers. Finally, give the pencils to them. Give them the pencils. Well done. And now, complete the following sentences with the right pronoun. So we need to focus, concentration. Ready? Go. Marcos likes bananas. Okay, Marcos is the subject. Give them to Marcos. Give them to Marcos. No, give them to him, a boy. Give them to him. Well done. Okay. My grandparents, the subject, my grandparents, my grandma and my granddad, know we love chocolate. That's why they made a cake for... so my grandparents is not the subject, but it's we. Because they is talking about my grandparents. My grandparents, they made a cake for we? For me and my sister or my brother? No. For we, no. For us. For us. Okay? They made a cake for us. And finally, I think you are stronger. You are stronger. The bigger weight suits... Yes, if I think you are stronger, the bigger weight suits you better. Great! And now what? We have these beautiful, yes, like pictures that we can just paint with colors if you want, all right? I'm just going to paint some parts of each, like the t-shirt, like maybe the weight. I think it's going to be a beautiful green weight, and the shoes of this boy. Then the cake. What about how can we paint this? Yeah, I'm going to go for pink. I know it's like a pink strange cake, like strawberry maybe. Strawberry. Well done. Strawberry. That's great. Okay. And finally the boy. I'm going to use this beautiful blue, light blue, to paint the t-shirt, like the stripes of the t-shirt. Great. And then with this one, like this. Finally! And we did it! Good job, guys!